If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Peacock subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure that you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Peacock website or open the Peacock app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled subscription or billing. Click on this to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Within the subscription details, you should see an option for auto-renewal. Toggle this option off or select the option to cancel auto-renewal. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your Peacock subscription. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Peacock customer support for assistance.